E-Track is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. E-Track is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to E-Track that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Mytee Products E-Track Ratchet Strap. It's a great way to secure cargo within your trailer, van, or anywhere you have E-Track installed. Built from heavy-duty polyester and boasting a working load limit of 1,000 pounds, our ratchet strap is great for securing equipment, bikes, boxes, and more. The ratcheting mechanism allows you to tighten down the strap with ease. Here's how to use it. Take the long end of the strap and insert it through the ratchet while it's in the open position. Then anchor the fixed length end of the strap and insert it into an E-Track fitting. Pull most of the slack through the ratchet. This is an important step you cannot miss. If you try and ratchet too much of the strap, it will jam up your ratcheting mechanism and break it. Once you've pulled the majority of the slack through, hook the other end of the strap into an E-Track fitting. Now with the ratchet strap wrapped around your cargo, close the ratcheting mechanism and begin to ratchet it tight. Make sure you don't ratchet the strap too much as it could crush your cargo. Once the strap is tight, your cargo is secure. Now roll up the excess strap and tuck it away. To release the strap later on, pull up the ratchet handle to unlock it, remove it from the E-Track fitting, and tightly pull on the strap until it comes free. As long as you have not jammed your ratcheting mechanism, it'll come loose easily. The Mytee Products E-Track Ratchet Strap will help you stay organized and keep your cargo secure. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee Products way. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your E-Track Ratchet Strap.